Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, June 11th, and this is my PM recap for the Euro US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So, anyways, today's CPI inflation data definitely was positive for the US dollar initially, which is what I was talking about this morning. I said that it was at least going to go up and take out the previous highs and maybe even go up and retest the high of wave 5. Now, if this is actually still wave A and a wave B, which honestly, I still do not have full confidence in this because the monthly, the weekly, the daily, and the 4 hour are all in uptrends. What does that tell me? That tells me this possibly could just keep on going up and up and up and up. We could be even be in a wave 3 on the very high time phase. But if it really is a wave A and a wave B like it looks like it is on the 1 hour, then I would keep an eye on the 105, the 123, and the 138 because those are the targets for your irregular wave Bs. If you get some sort of a breakdown in one of these levels, you definitely could try to sort it and see if it turns into a big old wave C, like an expanding ABC correction. If it doesn't make a turn in one of these levels, like a nice little break of structure or something, then I definitely would be very cautious about sorting it because, like I said, every single higher time frame is in an uptrend. And as always, the trend is your friend. Sometimes when you try to take these sorting opportunities on the 1 hour time frame, the market slaps you in the face and then just keeps on trending up when all your higher time frames are in an uptrend like this. So, anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.